Alright folks, this week you're going to need to know how to use the library to do some research to complete your assignment. So I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing you want to do is go to the Resources tab, go down to the library, click on that. It'll bring you to the library homepage. Once you're there, I want you to click on Find Journal Articles, because that's what we're going to be looking for is journal articles. Now you can choose these different subjects, but what I like to do, and I can recommend this to you, is go to a particular database I like called Ebsco Host, so that will be under E. And if you learn how to use Ebsco Host effectively, it will almost be the only database you ever need to use. You could write a whole dissertation just using this one database. So we'll start here. Go to Ebsco Host, and after you're to Ebsco Host, what you're going to want to do is over here select, there's a little button, you probably can't see it, it's on the side of your screen, but click the arrow next to this, so Academic Search Complete, and then hit Continue. That'll bring up the actual database. Now you'll enter in your search term, so let's say that we're doing leadership, for example, and this will search the database for articles on leadership. And here's your bunches and bunches of different types of leadership articles. Now let's say though that you would like to limit those down, and I would recommend that. What you want to do is go up here on this side of the page, on the left side, make sure full text is checked, and also click the scholarly peer reviewed. That will mean that these are only articles will come up. We're going to sort only for articles that are scholarly and peer reviewed. They have been reviewed by professionals in the field. Also, here's the date range. I always like to move this up to something like the last 10 years or so I don't get a lot of stuff from the 80s or the 90s and stuff like that that might not be relevant anymore. Now if you're a history major, that might be something different, but for business we want new stuff. So I'm going to go to 2001, I'm going to hit update. It's going to update this. So it's updated all my search results for peer-reviewed leadership articles that are from 1999 or 2001, whatever I had there, to current. And then you can see that I have a bunch of different articles now. Here's all of your results here in the middle. So let's say I wanted to look at this one. What I would do is click on it, and this gives me what's called the detailed record. You see how this is highlighted right here? This is the detailed record. It gives me the abstract so I can read through this, and I can find out if this is an article I want to pursue or not. And then also there's a bunch of tools here on the side. You're going to use this Cite button to get your proper APA citation, and when you click on it, it brings it up, and here's your APA citation right here. I would copy this, and of course I'll have a Word document open somewhere that I can copy and paste that. Now you're going to need to change the font, of course, and put a proper hanging indent here and make sure this is double spaced and all that jazz, but it gives you all the information that you need. Returning back to that, when I'm finished, I can click the X and go out, and I'm back to that detailed record again. Now if I've decided that I like this article and I've copied the citation and put it into my Word document, here I click for the full text. And this is where I can actually read the entire text of this article. Mine's taking a minute here to load. It shouldn't take you so long. But it will pull up the whole PDF and you'll have it there for that. So that is how you search for articles in Ebsco Host, and I hope that it has been helpful for you.